Hey, and welcome to this strength building yoga session. We have short practice today and we are focusing on our core and our upper body and especially strength in these areas. And before we start, make sure that you read the description of this video. You will find useful information there on upcoming things and such. And then come to your all fours. Make sure that your wrists are under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips, and engage your core. We start to lift our gaze up, bringing a little bit curve to our back. And as we exhale, we round our backs and bring chin to chest. Inhale, move the other way, bring the curve to your back, and exhale, round your back. Continue like this, few more times. Inhaling, lifting up your gaze, making sure that you are bringing a little bit curve into your back and engaging your core. And as you exhale, bring your chin to chest, push your shoulder blades apart. Then stay on your all fours, bring your toes under and come to your downward facing dog. And from there, we start to move. Make sure that your palms are firmly on your mat and move to your plank. Come back to down dog. Inhale to your plank and exhale to your down dog. Continue inhaling to plank and exhaling to down dog. Inhale plank, exhale down dog. Inhale to plank, exhale to down dog. Next we stay on the plank and bring your forearms onto your mat. We are coming to low plank. Push your upper back a little, bringing your shoulder blades a little bit more apart. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. We start to lift our bum up and walk our feet forward, so we come to dolphin pose, and from here we start to lift our leg. So right leg lifts up and bring it back down. Lift it up and bring it back down. Lift up your right and bring it back down. Lift up your right and leave it there. Breathe. And bring the leg back down. Other side, left leg lift up and back down. Lifting up and back down. One more time. And next one stays up. Lift it up. Let it stay up. Bring your weight a little bit onto your arms. And bring your leg down. Come to your low plank. Bring your knees down and come to your child's pose. Bringing a little bit roundness to your upper back. And then we are moving on. Come to your downward facing dog. Bring your toes under. Lift yourself up. And from here we start to lift our leg. Right leg lifts up and bring it down. Lift it up and bring it down. Lift up. Bring it down. Next one stays. And if you want, you can open your hip, you can bend your knee, make sure that your shoulders are in line. So your body is not going to your hip opening. And then start to bring your knee to nose. Bring your right knee to nose. And lift back up to three-legged dog, knee to nose, and stay there. Breathe here. And slowly start to come back to your three-legged dog and come to your down dog. Other side. Left leg lifts up and down. Lift it up and bring it down. One more time. And next one, lift it up. If you want, you can open your hip. Make sure that your shoulders are aligned. Coming back to three-legged and bring your knee to nose. Left knee to your nose and lift back up. Knee to nose and stay. Breathe here and feel that crunch in your core, in your abs. Then release to your three-legged dog and come to your down dog. And from there, step to the front of your mat or walk to the front of your mat and come to your forward fold. And lift yourself up and come to your standing position. Shoulders back and down, bend your knees, bring your fingers to touch the ground and come to your Utkatasana, your chair pose. Your arms over your head, palms together. Engage your core, belly button in and up, breathe here, and step your left leg back, bring the knee to the mat and come to your low lunge. Your palms onto your mat, back long, neck long. And you can stay here or you can come to your low lunge, starting to lift your arms over your head, doing a little back bend. So make sure your right knee is above your heel. From here we start to move. Bring your left toes under and come to your high lunge. Again, remember that your upper body is directly above your hips. Bring your palms onto your mat, step back to plank, come to chaturanga, up dog or cobra, and downward facing dog. We are moving to plank pose. We are doing a little bit core challenge here. So plank pose, make sure that your palm is down, come back to down dog. We are moving to side plank next. So as you move to plank, move to your side plank to your right side. You can have your right knee on your mat. Bring back your left hand, come back to plank. Stay there. Come back to your side plank and lift up your left leg. You can grab hold of your big toe if it's accessible. And start bringing your left foot onto the mat and open your left hand to the ceiling. You can stay there or bring your left hand behind your back, opening your chest, coming back to plank and to chaturanga, up dog or cobra, and downward facing dog. We are moving to other side. So left leg steps in between your hands, bring your right knee down. We have low lunge. Back long, neck long, palms on the mat. You can stay here or start lifting your arms up, palms together, doing a little back bend. Slowly placing your right toes to your mat and lifting yourself up to high lunge. Again, remember that your upper body is directly above your hips. Right leg engaged. Bring your palms onto your mat. Come back to plank, chaturanga, up dog or cobra, and downward facing dog. We are doing that plank sequence, coming to your plank, palm down, push your shoulder blades further apart, coming back to down dog, and moving back to plank and coming to side plank. Now right hand is reaching to the ceiling, coming back to plank and coming back to side plank, lifting your right leg up. Maybe grab hold of your big toe and start placing your leg in the front of your mat. Open your right arm to the ceiling. If you want, you can bring it also behind your back. Opening your chest. Bringing back your right hand onto your mat. Come to plank, chaturanga, up dog or cobra, and downward facing dog. And then bring your knees down and come onto your mat and lie onto your mat. We are doing short spinal twists. So lift your knees up and bring them to your left. Open your right hand to your side. You can also turn your head to your right. And just breathe a few breaths here. Switching sides. Lifting up your legs, bring them to right, left hand on your shoulder level. Gaze follows your left hand. And from there, come back to center and prepare yourself to your Savasana, your final relaxation. So let your feet open outward, your arms resting on the side of your body. You can nod your chin in a little and make sure that your body is resting on your mat. And as you breathe, bring in new energy. As you exhale, let your body relax. Let your muscles relax. Let any tension melt away. Our quote today goes like this: there is no such thing as being good at yoga. You can slowly start to bring a little bit movement, bring your arms over your head and stretch yourself. Lifting up your knees and hug them in. And from there, turn to your side and stop there for a little while, pause and feel how it feels after the practice, how your body feels, what is the state of your mind. Then start to lift yourself up to seated in a position where you want to end this practice today, keeping your back straight and long and your chest open, feeling gratitude toward the practice that you just did. And I want to thank you for sharing this practice with me today. Bring your palms onto your heart center. Lift up your thumbs in between your brows. Make a little bow to say thank you. The light within me honors the light within you. Namaste. And we see each other again next time, and remember, if you haven't already, to comment, like and subscribe to this channel. Bye now.